Hello everyone and welcome to her channel. Today she's going to
Unbox another gift.
We love unboxing.
Yeah.
It's not in a box.
Okay.
Oh, stop. Who gave this to you, Janelle?
I don't know. Mom didn't say. Okay, we're gonna remove the tapes for
Right,
life.
thank you for whoever gave this. We really like the gift that you sent us, and we will now open it on video. So thank you for
If someone says that they're the one who made this gift, we will pin the comment.
Maybe.
Kinda. Yeah.
It has to be really obvious it is them. Like we know them. If we don't know them at all and they don't really have
I
proof.
see something.
Yeah, I actually saw it earlier when I was picking it up.
Wait, what?
I gave Janelle a few hints, but she still doesn't know what it is.
What do you mean by book destroyer?
Boat destroyer. Boat.
Oh, boat destroyer.
I think they used too good of a tape. The tape they used, it's very tapey.
Okay.
It's a very tapey tape. It's the perfect tape if you like taping tape. Tape the tape for taping tape. You know? I'll be in the video as soon as I can in the middle of re-establishing connections.
Okay. This thing.
What is it?
See, Battle Commander.
Yay!
That's the battle game.
It's the boat
And
game.
this-
Oh, I didn't see that.
This other one.
I didn't see this.
Honey B3. Encourages your child to think creatively. Boosts your okay.
Say buzz every
Cool.
time a bee falls.
Cool. Even more cool toys.
Okay.
We just got 2 cool toys.
Take turns to pull leaves. If you pull a leaf, a bee might fall down.
Okay.
When we've lots of turns and all of the bees fell down, let's count all the bees in the tray. Whoever has the less bees is the winner.
Wait, what?
We
Why?
can buzz like bees. Whenever a bee falls into your tray, say buzz.
Okay.
We can also say buzz every time we fill out the leaf. And we can do a really loud buzz for the winner.
Okay.
Honey sandwich.
Okay.
Okay, so basically, if you pull a leaf, a bee might fall down. And if a
Okay.
bee falls down, you have to say buzz.
Okay.
Whoever has the least bees in the end is the winner.
Okay.
And another battle game,
The
Sea Battle Commander.
Okay.
It's called Battleship actually.
Which one do you pick to do?
Let's do Battleship. It's actually much more simple and it's for 6-year-olds. Perfect. Older game for you. Oh, there's tape here. Am I in the camera?
Yeah.
Let's both be in the camera, you know.
Okay.
Can you check if I'm in?
Okay.
Oh.
You're on the side of the camera.
Okay, how's this?
Okay. You're. Yeah.
I'm a trained professional. Don't do what I'm doing.
Yeah. Don't try to see if you're 5 years old. He's 11 years old. That's normal.
No. I'm 600.
600.
Okay, here are the boats. Here are the pieces. And here's the command. This looks sick. This is cool. Alright, guys.
What's this thing?
Alright, so inside there are 2
So
panels.
these are different colored microphones. Different colored
These are
microphones.
pieces. These are pieces.
What kind of pieces are these?
Okay, I think you have to open it. How do you open it?
This is a two-play purple.
Oh!
Oh.
Great, I don't know how to play.
I also don't know how to play.
So both of us have one.
Okay. Only 2 people can play.
Direct hit. Yeah.
Nice sounds.
Assemble you. Stop.
What is that?
The first player selects a grid. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, both of us will get some boats.
What boats? How are these boats?
Those are not boats.
Oh.
These are boats.
Oh.
These aren't boats.
Oh, boats?
Boats.
Oh.
These are the boats that we will use.
Okay.
Battleships. Okay, to play the game, a player. Oh no, the player. The players will pick a place. They'll put their ship somewhere. Oh, and you have to be not looking at it.
Okay.
And I'll put my ship somewhere.
Okay.
You put your ships there too.
Okay. Where?
On the grid, anywhere.
Okay.
You choose.
How do I put this out?
Place, floor, anywhere. Anywhere on the
Is
grid.
this a grid? The circles are a grid?
Yeah, circle is part of the grid.
Okay.
Should be enough.
I don't know where to put these. What are... Oh.
Actually, no. There'll only be one pile of bombs. Yeah, these are bombs.
How do you put these?
You're placing them upside down.
Oh.
Was it there? You could say I'm cheating, but we're just learning the game. Now put your last one.
Where?
Great, now we both have ships. Right, correct? We both have?
Okay.
Great.
I can't
Now
put
for the
this
second
one.
step,
I can't put this one.
there's a pile of missiles.
Okay.
You will put the missiles on the top grid. Here.
Okay. I'm going...
And you have to choose a spot, like this.
How many are we supposed to get?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
No, don't steal missiles. Not yet. Okay, so this is how it works. The opponent will say a random spot, for example, E9. And then the opponent will why do you place your boats upside down? And then the other guy will see if they have a thing on E9.
Okay.
You placed your boats on the missile area.
Oh.
There.
We're doing the video.
Yeah. Now you have to see if there's anything on E9.
Okay.
If there's something on E9, say direct hit or something.
Okay.
Say hit, and then you put a missile there maybe.
Okay.
If it hit you, put a red missile. If it didn't, put a white missile.
Okay. Wait, what does this mean?
You can either put the missile on the boats or up here.
What is this for?
Missiles.
Okay. What?
For example,
What is for putting a red missile?
if you put a red missile if you hit the boat. Okay.
Wait, what?
Practice. B10.
Direct hit? I don't know. This thing?
There's nothing on B10.
What do you mean?
B10.
Oh.
You have
I
to
don't
check if
know
there's
what-
something there. If there's something there,
What do you mean something there? This thing?
B10. I said B10, so now you have to look if there's something on B10. B10.
Okay.
There's nothing on B10, so you place a white missile on B10.
Okay.
E9. It's like bingo. If you have it, bomb it. See? We're doing great.
So this white thingy
Fantastic, I'm sure you know how to play now.
Okay.
Oh, and you win if we run out of missiles and whoever has the most, okay?
Okay.
If we run out of missiles, we'll count who has the most hits on the other ship. Or if somebody hit all of the other memberships, they win. So that's how you play. Or at least that's my biggest guess on how to play.
Okay.
It's actually supposed to be at 5 ships per fleet, and I don't know where the 2 other ones are. I also don't know how to remove all of the things, so I need like a screwdriver. These are tough.
Engineer.
I'm a trained professional.
Why do you be the third base?
Third base? So. Do not do these professional acts.
Unless you're more than 11.
Oh. Actually, you have to be around 13.
Then how are you a bit?
No, I'm professional. I am, yeah, I'm 36, I already told you that.
Okay.
Can you get that? Thanks. Where'd you, okay. Let's put our boats here.
Okay.
1, 2,
I sorted the missiles.
4. Why?
Because I wanted to. I'm some kind of professional sorter, not actually professional.
2, 3, 3, 4. You also get a 2, 3. I can't find the other 3. Wow, we lost the perfect amount of pieces.
Why?
Fine, we'll just do a practice round for little tiny babies. Here. 1, 2, 3. Now go over to that side.
Okay.
Janelle will be on this side. Make sure it's facing that way so I don't see it. Oh, here, look at 3rd. So for you. No, it's not. Okay, great. I want this to be... This is not the time, but she probably is.
How do I place these right?
Okay, you can place them now.
What?
Okay, you can place them. Make sure you don't see mine and I don't see yours.
Okay. Can I place them in diagonal?
No, that'll break the board.
Okay.
So this is practically a blind game and you just have to say, I wonder where.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, place them so
You first. Say a random letter, random number.
B2.
Miss.
Okay.
C6.
Well, there's nothing on 6.
Add a white peg to... Add a white peg. D8.
D what?
D8.
Okay, got hurt.
You got hurt?
Yeah.
Great. What is that? Judging by a long piece, there should be one. Oh wait, it's your turn.
My turn?
Yeah, it's your turn. It's your turn.
E3.
E3. Miss.
Okay.
Since you said D8, there might be one on D9.
Okay.
Is there one on D9?
No.
Okay, I'll just work from perspective. Your turn.
B1.
Miss. E8. Might want to add an extra white pieces just in case.
Okay, there's miss.
That's interesting. Okay, I'm just working my way around what you said when I hit your boat. Your turn.
Did I say B2 already?
Yes.
Okay, B3.
D3. Miss.
Okay,
D3 is a miss.
okay.
Ready your red pegs because I've been searching around. D7.
Okay.
You said yours was around D8, so if I work my way around that, I'll find at least one. Right, your turn.
D4.
I knew it was gonna be a miss, so I grabbed the white one early.
Okay.
D6. You picked a really long one for the one that I hit.
I don't know what you're doing, but you're boring.
It's
What,
Battleship.
this is the game in the shop.
Yeah, it's boring.
I mean, this is a game in the gift. We're playing it.
You place boats and then you place bombs.
Okay.
It's a very slow game, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just say there are 3/3 left. You go, Janelle.
20 minutes na.
B3.
What?
B3.
10 minutes na kayo.
What is it with you and B? My turn. D5. What? I knocked down your entire battleship. Final turn, Janelle.
E3.
You already said E3.
F3.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations. Here's Janelle's accuracy. And here is my accuracy. 4 straight shots at a boat. Janelle got 1 extra shot and was only able to make the letter L. Wow, you predicted you're losing. Now let's go for the B one. Professional.
What?
I missed the entire tape.
Oh.
That box slipped. I'm very professional. Just don't try what I try. It's for smart people like me. And the bees.
Heavy?
You know, according to adopting, these are all king bees. Wow, we got really lucky. Make a mega with them. Hey, they're all the leaves. Hey, you know, weed.
Leaf sticks.
Vegetable.
They're like this.
Here's a, you can guess.
Okay. Log.
Log, yeah, loggers, fog.
Yeah. No, don't say fog. It's copyright.
What?
I don't think it's copyright.
No, it's not, of course not.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
If fog was copyright, everything would have been taken down. The entirety of the internet. Okay, here's a leaf stick.
Kahit ka na. 20 minutes na.
Okay, let's do another video.
Hurry up. Pa.
Let's do another video of us doing this.
Okay, we'll just showcase the bees.
Yeah, okay.
Wow, guys, the bees are so bee-like.
Okay.
Tapusin mo na, tapos na.
Alright,
Tagal mong mag-review.
It's finished.
fine. Anyways, guys, that's the end for this video. We
Mag-start ako
will
gusto mo.
see you all in the next one. Good.
Bye.
This is a huge gift. I'm interested in the bees.
I'm interested with the two.
Bees.